vendor-managed inventory is a family of business models in which the buyer of a product provides certain information to a vendor-supplier of that product and the supplier takes full responsibility for maintaining an agreed inventory of the material, usually at the buyer's consumption location. A third-party logistics provider can also be involved to make sure that the buyer has the required level of inventory by adjusting the demand and supply gaps. As a symbiotic relationship, VMI makes it less likely that a business will unintentionally become out of stock of a good and reduces inventory in the supply chain. Furthermore, vendor representatives in a store benefit the vendor by ensuring the product is properly displayed and store staff are familiar with the features of the product line, all the while helping to clean and organize their product lines for the store. One of the keys to making VMI work is shared risk. In some cases, if the inventory does not sell, the vendor will repurchase the product from the buyer. In other cases, the product may be in the possession of the retailer but is not owned by the retailer until the sale takes place, meaning that the retailer simply houses the product in exchange for a predetermined commission or profit. A special form of this commission business is scan-based trading, where VMI is usually applied but its use is not mandatory. This is one of the successful business models used by Walmart and many other big-box retailers. Oil companies often use technology to manage the gasoline inventories at the service stations that they supply. Home Depot uses the technique with larger suppliers of manufactured goods. VMI helps foster a closer understanding between the supplier and manufacturer by using electronic data interchange formats, EDI software and statistical methodologies to forecast and maintain correct inventory in the supply chain. Vendors benefit from more control of displays and more customer contact for their employees. Retailers benefit from reduced risk, better store staff knowledge, and reduced display maintenance outlays. Consumers benefit from knowledgeable store staff who are in frequent and familiar contact with manufacturer representatives when parts or service are required. Store staff have good knowledge of most product lines offered by the entire range of vendors. They can help the consumer choose from competing products for items most suited to them and offer service support being offered by the store. See also, scan-based trading, consignment stock, electronic data interchange. References. Literature, Tempemria, H. Inventory Management in Supply Networks Euro Problems, Models, Solutions, Norderstedt, Books on Demand. ISBN 3-8334-5373-7. Frank, P.D. Vendor Managed Inventory for High-Value Parts Euro Results from a Survey among Leading International Manufacturing Firms. ISBN 978-3-7983-2211-0.